Hey there, I'm meteorologist Craig Herrera. As we go through the day on Tuesday, a lot of people going back to work, maybe back to school before you're out for the summer. We have more sunshine in the forecast for you. In fact, we will warm things up just a bit as high pressure continues to build. In fact, most spots will warm about 2 to 5 degrees. The marine layer does make a strong comeback as we go into Wednesday morning and Thursday morning, so the numbers will go down about 2 to 4 degrees each day. After that, next weekend looks very nice. Lots of sunshine and temperatures are warming back up again. Travel-wise across the eastern seaboard tomorrow, lots of scattered showers all the way down through the Gulf Coast states and into Florida, thanks to Alberto, remnants of it now, and also a new storm moving across the Rockies, and the plain will bring some more scattered showers there. Highs as we go through Tuesday afternoon, a little bit warmer, 85 in Northridge. Above normal for this time of year, downtown Los Angeles at 79. Right along the coast, mostly mid and upper 60s and a few low 70s out there. Mid 70s for Orange County, away from the water. San Gabriel Valley into the low and mid 80s, and lots of mid and upper 80s right across the Inland Empire tomorrow. Big Bear at 72. Taking a look at the next 7 days, plan on some nice conditions Tuesday. Again, just a little bit cooler as we go through Wednesday and Thursday. Friday will be our transition day as we get ready for next weekend. We'll see those numbers come back up. In fact, right along the coast, we're closer to 70 degrees. The IE once again getting back up into the upper 80s and low 90s as we go through next weekend. Have a great week.